What inside microbiology freezer? Here this is the plate count agar for aerobic count. These are the sterile swabs for the sampling of any subject. Violet red bile agar for the enumeration of total coliforms and coliform. This is the coliform chromogenic agar for the conformation of E. coli and coliform in water. Two vials of distilled water used for media preparations. This is the vial of Ringer solution used as a diluent. Vial of standard method agar. And this is the peptone water. These are ready to use compact dry plate for the identification of salmonella and yeast and mold. And also be a yeast and mold. In the next video I will show you the whole micro lab. Like and subscribe my channel for more updates.